In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on a Xero invoice, and this is our updated guide for 2025. Navigating currency settings in Xero is a crucial skill, especially if your business deals internationally. Let's dive into the steps and ensure your invoicing process is as seamless as possible. First, start by logging into your Xero account. Head over to xero.com and enter your credentials to access the dashboard. It's your starting point for managing your financial operations. Once logged in, you'll want to locate the settings section. From there, navigate to General Settings and then select Currencies. This menu allows you to manage multiple currencies for your business transactions. Now, you're ready to add a new currency. Click on Add Currency, and you'll be able to search for the specific currency you need, whether that's USD, EUR, GBP, or any other. After selecting your desired currency, click Add. It's important to note that Xero automatically updates exchange rates daily using Oanda rates, which ensures your transactions are always up to date without manual intervention. As you work with clients and suppliers around the world, you'll need to assign currencies to each contact. Go to Contacts, then choose either customers or suppliers based on who you're managing. Click to edit the contact and assign the currency relevant to their dealings. Once you save these changes, invoices or bills will automatically default to the assigned currency, streamlining your accounting processes. With your currencies set up, you can create invoices in multiple currencies with ease. Go to Business, then Invoices, and select New Invoice. Choose the customer who requires a different currency, and Xero will automatically set the invoice to the correct one. You then enter your line items, due dates, and amounts. When you send the invoice, Xero tracks it in both the foreign and your base currency, ensuring complete financial transparency. When it comes to paying bills in foreign currencies, the process is similarly straightforward. Head over to Business, select Bills to pay, and choose New Bill. Then pick a supplier with a foreign currency, enter the amount and due date, and let Xero handle the currency conversion in your reports and accounting records. Finally, keeping track of foreign exchange gains and losses is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Thankfully, Xero does most of the work here by automatically monitoring these changes. You can view these adjustments by navigating to reports and selecting currency gains and losses. This tracking helps maintain precise accounting even as currency values fluctuate globally. By following these steps, you're set to manage currencies in Xero more effectively, ensuring your invoices and financial records are accurate and reflective of real-world conditions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide makes handling currencies in Xero a breeze for your business in 2025 and beyond.